Welcome. Today we are learning about supplementary angles. This is a fundamental concept in geometry and trigonometry that deals with how pairs of angles relate to each other on a straight line. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify, define, and calculate these angles with ease. The definition is simple but important. Two angles are called supplementary angles if the sum of their measures equals exactly 180 degrees. In the diagram shown, you can see an angle of 120 degrees and another of 60 degrees. When you add them together, they equal 180. To understand why the number 180 is special, we need to look at a straight line. In geometry, a straight line is actually an angle itself, known as a straight angle. It measures exactly 180 degrees. This semicircle arc represents that full span from one side to the other. A very common type of supplementary angle is called a linear pair. These are adjacent angles, meaning they are side by side, formed when two lines intersect. Because they sit together on a straight line, their combined angles must add up to 180 degrees. If you know one, you can always find the other. It is important to note that supplementary angles do not have to touch. On the left, we have a linear pair which is adjacent. On the right, we have two completely separate angles. As long as their measures, 50 degrees and 130 degrees, add up to 180, they are still considered supplementary. Let's try a calculation. Here we have a straight line with two angles. One is 110 degrees, and the other is x. Since they make a straight line, they must sum to 180. We simply subtract 110 from 180, which gives us a value of 70 degrees for x. Sometimes you might see algebra involved. Here, one angle is 3x and the other is x. We set up an equation, 3x plus x equals 180. This simplifies to 4x equals 180. Dividing both sides by 4, we find that x equals 45. Supplementary angles appear frequently in more complex figures, such as parallel lines cut by a transversal. The interior angles on the same side of the transversal line, labeled A and B here, are supplementary. This is a key property used in many geometry proofs. Students often confuse complementary and supplementary angles. Here is a trick. Complementary angles sum to 90 degrees, like a corner. Supplementary angles sum to 180 degrees, like a straight line. Alphabetically, C comes before S, just like 90 comes before 180. To wrap up, remember these key points. Supplementary angles always sum to 180 degrees. When they are next to each other on a line, they form a linear pair. And finally, use the letter S to remember supplementary equals straight line. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.